Hi everyone, I'm Lizzy and this is Cheeky, my little sidekick. Join us as we start fixing our little caravan and turning her into a cozy home on wheels. Every day is a new adventure with Cheeky. He even joins me at the office. He sometimes goes for a little flight outside and then a nap on my desk. He really does think he runs the show. This week, it was time to start getting the caravan ready. I had some help putting up the tent, and thank goodness for that, because I don't think I would have figured it out on my own. When R&B Blinds arrived to measure the windows for new blinds, Cheeky made a new friend, and I was so touched when they offered to sponsor the installation. Here's a look at the inside before we started. All but full of charm, and with a little love, I know it's going to shine again. I started small, unscrewing a few fittings the old-fashioned way, until Warren from Crytek Services arrived with proper tools. He kindly offered to sponsor his time, and together we've started transforming the space. Of course, Cheeky supervised while I scrubbed the walls. I think he's making sure I don't miss a spot. He's also been very curious about every corner of his new home. It is so sweet to see him exploring. And here's the start of my new office space. Before, during, and after. It already feels so much brighter. A friend popped in with her 2 little girls to check out the progress. I think they were more excited than I was. They already started planning sleepovers. My friends all wanted to help me choose paint colors. Thanks for joining me and Cheeky on this little adventure. Until next time, stay kind, stay curious, and keep smiling.